What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to delete switch account on Facebook. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Facebook application. Make sure you have logged in into your desired Facebook account. Once you do it, head over to your profile, and here you'll see that in the side of your account there is a drop down box, and there are some other accounts which you might want to log into, or you somehow logged into those accounts from this device. So as we want to just remove that, so what we will do is head over to the logout option and just log out from our account. Once you're there, you'll see that there are the other accounts. So head over to the three dot icon, and there then go to remove profiles from this device, and then just click on remove to the specific account, and then the account will be removed. Hope this video will help you out, and this will switch and delete switch account on Facebook too. And this is it. We will see you in the next one.